Right, it's Liam from Splattered Plastic. I have just got a steal from the HMV sale. Wanted this for ages. It was like 60 quid when it first came out. Got an email off HMV and it was like box set style, everything reduced. So went on, checked it out, got it for 40 quid. The Vault of Horror Gates of Hell collection. It's so good. If you don't know what the Gates of Hell are, it's a series of 3 movies by the acclaimed Italian splatter extravaganza artist Lucio Fulci, starting with City of the Living Dead, going on to The Beyond, and then culminating with House by the Cemetery. Every one of them better than the last, apart from House by the Cemetery, but we'll get into that. So, Vault of Horror Gates of Hell trilogy is the 3 soundtracks from these 3 movies done by Fabio Frizzi and Walter Riazzi. I'm going to butcher this. I'm going to even read it. Alessandro Blanksteiner. Yeah, Blanksteiner. So, all the artwork is done by Graham Humphreys. Unbelievable. Love me a bit of Graham Humphreys. Back spine, and it's got, on the inside, it's got all notes by the Italian horror expert Alan Jones. It's just really, 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 really nice. All the colours and the print that they used on it is just fantastic. You still get hold of this for that 40 quid, then do it. So, it gets into the records. So obviously this is where we're going to have City of the Living Dead. Look at that artwork. Oh my god, it's so good. If you've seen the movie, you'll know that there's like the hanging priest. There's the hanging priest, he's not even on there. He is, right at the end. And intestine vomits and zombies and, oh, it's just brilliant. Awesome. Move on to The Beyond. Again, absolutely fantastic artwork. All the zombies there, and Emily with the big crazy eyes. Yeah, man. Best scene in the Beyonds at the beginning where they're pelting with limestone and he's like, "You ungodly warlock." So good. And then lastly to the House by the Cemetery with Dr. Pruneface. If you've seen it, his head looks like a big prune, Dr. Freudenstein, but it's got some amazing gore in it, as of all Lucio Fulci's films. It's so good, man. Where's that kid? Where's Bob? There he is. Annoying little shit. Even when it's overdubbed, he's got the worst overdubbed voice ever. Back cover, and then the end, we'll show you the records. So the first record is City of the Living Dead. Nice print of the Book of Enoch on the front of it. Looks a little bit like Suspiria. Don't really get all that, to be honest with you. It's like a stained glass window because of the priest and stuff. I do know. So if you're going to pick it up, it's just this weird swirl, black and purple. It's really nice. The back of it. The inside labels are just what's on the covers. It's not very exciting, to be honest with you. Next up is The Beyond. Personally, City of the Living Dead and The Beyond, my favourites out of the whole of the trilogy. Fabio Frizzi just knocked it out of the park on it. So you got little sign of vibe on it. And 36 is the door. The guy stays in, the artist. Oh, that's so cool. And inside is orange and black swirl. Again, nothing too amazing on the inside labels. Just really, really nice. And then lastly, House by the Cemetery. Freudenstein! Dr. Freudenstein! And again, green and black swirly splatter. Really good. So this is the one that was done by Walter Riazzi and Alessandro Blanksteiner. Really nice, really nice soundtrack, but in my opinion doesn't come across half as well as The Beyond and Gates of Hell or City of the Living Dead, whichever way you want to call it. Unbelievable box set. Hopefully we'll get around to doing a full Italian season, man, because I love me a bit of Italian horror. I want to go through all of these deep dives into all of these, as well as all like your Dario Argento stuff and Profondo Rosso and Tenebrae, and I want to go down a giallo hole essentially. Okay, so until that happens, okay, SP out.